Well, hello, this is my version of soil cement. My driveway here used to go only one direction over that way. Whenever anyone would back down the driveway and want to turn around, they'd end up, there was a curb over there, and they would end up going over on my neighbor's grass or having problems, and wasn't working out very well. So we took out all the asphalt, and we're gonna do some grading over here and make a little bit of a turnaround over here so people can back out and go that direction and then leave. So that's one thing. So this all used to have asphalt. It was cracked in a lot of places. It was only 3/4 of an inch thick where I'm standing here. We got the house over there. We got a detached garage. After the asphalt was removed, the detached garage that had 3/4 of an inch, or it had 3/4 stone and probably 6 inches deep. And there were several areas that had the stone 6 inches deep. And the way I'm reading the soil cement is you're not supposed to have anything bigger than 1/4 inch. 80% of what's in there is supposed to be smaller than 1/4 inch. And so I had dug up all the 3/4 inch stone. The whole rest of the driveway had a bunch of sand. And so I spread out the 3/4 stone, and then I took the sand and put it on top of the 3/4 stone that I spread out. So the whole driveway, the asphalt's been removed. It's been regraded, and basically I had 4 inches, planning on doing 4 inches of crushed stone. This is stone dust. Okay, so you got dust in there, and there's nothing bigger than 1/4 inch. I mean, I guess there's an occasional piece there, but the fact is if you did any research on soil cement, the inspector that would have been inspecting back in the day when they were using it would test, and 80% needs to go through less than 1/4 inch sieve, and 100% needs to go through a 1 inch sieve. So rather than trying to deal with all the issues of, I just decided to bring in the stone dust and ordered Portland cement. I'm gonna go ahead and lay the bags where they need to go and open them up and hand rake them out. And then I'm gonna rent a Harley power rake that I'm gonna put on the front of that Bobcat, and I'm gonna use that because that'll go down 4 inches. And I'm gonna churn in my Portland cement, wet it down, and then I'm gonna rent a roller to roll it. But basically, this area over here, it used to be all kind of boogered up. There were some kind of big kind of rocks over there. Then there was some slate. You can see a little bit of the sidewalk over there. But it was kind of a mess because when you try to plow and do snow removal, there's this little grass. All these weeds were over there. It was a pain. This area was kind of ugly too. So I just gonna do driveway through this whole area over here. Another area where we took out, there used to be a basketball pole right over here, almost at the end of the house, even with the end of the house, somewhere in this vicinity right over here. And on the other side of the basketball pole, it was grass, but everything used to get driven on all the time, and it made the turn to go to the upper driveway. You'd end up driving on it, so it wasn't very nice, and it didn't work out well. So just gonna make this all driveway. So I had to remove some soil there. And so basically we've got all this crushed stone. It's all been pretty well graded. It doesn't have to be perfect right now because, as I mentioned, I'm gonna get a Harley power rake and going to churn up all the Portland cement into the stone, gonna wet it and gonna roll it, and I'll regrade it if I need to after the power rake. But the power rake's supposed to be pretty good at grading. I haven't ever used one, but used this box blade here. I picked this up, put it on my old 1963 Ford 4000 tractor, and this made beautiful work of the grading. Wonderful job of being able to push this stone around. So this is the project as of now, and when I go ahead and get the rest going on, I'll do another video.